If you're seeing the unusual activity detected error on ElevenLabs, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest way to fix it step by step so that you can get back into your account and continue using the platform normally. This issue is usually caused by a security check, and in most cases it happens when ElevenLabs notices a login attempt from a new device, a different internet connection, a VPN, a proxy, or a privacy relay. So before anything else, make sure you're signing in from your usual device and your normal internet connection. If you're trying to log in from a new location or using a network that looks unusual to the system, that can immediately trigger this warning. The first thing you should do is turn off any VPN, proxy, or privacy relay you may have enabled. These tools often change your IP address or make your connection look suspicious, which can prevent ElevenLabs from verifying your login. Once those are turned off, go back and try signing in again. If the error still appears, the next simple step is to refresh the page and try once more. Sometimes the issue is temporary and a fresh load of the page is enough to clear it. If that still does not work, we'll move on to clearing your browser data. This is one of the most effective fixes because old cookies and cached files can interfere with the sign-in process. To do that, open your browser menu by clicking the three dots, then go to Delete Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files and cookies and other site data, then click Clear. After that, close and reopen the browser, return to ElevenLabs, and sign in again. In many cases, that will resolve the unusual activity detected message right away. If you're still having trouble, double check that you are not connected through any privacy tools, corporate filters, or network settings that could make your login appear unusual. Also try signing in on your regular home Wi-Fi or the device you usually use for ElevenLabs. Security systems are very sensitive, and even a small change in location or network can cause a temporary block. The good news is that this is usually not a serious problem, and it's often fixed with just one or two of these steps. So the quick recap is this. Use your normal device and the connection, turn off VPN or proxy tools, refresh the page, and clear your browser cache and cookies. If this tutorial helped you fix the error, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.